Cucumbers need the right balance of moisture to thrive. If you don't water them enough, they will struggle to produce fruit, and the cucumbers may taste bitter. On the other hand, excessive watering can cause root rot and ruin your entire crop. Let's dive into the best watering techniques to ensure a bountiful harvest. Watering cucumbers in open ground. Water according to soil moisture. Check the soil before watering. If it's dry, water the cucumbers. In humid weather, water them every 5 to 7 days. During hot, sunny weather, increase watering to once every 3 to 4 days, and if the temperatures are extremely high, water them every 1 to 2 days. Adjust watering frequency based on growth stage. Young plants require frequent but light watering, around 4 liters per square meter. When the plants start flowering, reduce the frequency but increase the water volume to 10 liters per square meter. Optimal watering time. Before flowering, water cucumbers in the early morning. Once they begin producing fruit, switch to evening watering after sunset. Avoid watering in the midday heat to prevent leaf burn. Loosen the soil after watering. This prevents oxygen deprivation and promotes healthy root growth. Use properly tempered water. The ideal water temperature is between 23 to 25 degrees Celsius, but never below 12 degrees Celsius. Best watering methods. The most effective ways to water outdoor cucumbers include drip irrigation, furrow irrigation, or overhead sprinkling. Watering cucumbers in greenhouses. Maintain consistent moisture. Greenhouse soil should remain slightly moist, but never too wet or too dry. Water 1 to 2 times per week in cloudy weather and increase to 5 to 7 times per week during hot conditions. Adjust watering volume. Young seedlings need 4 to 5 liters of water per square meter. During flowering and fruit formation, increase to 8 to 10 liters per square meter. When cucumbers are actively producing fruit, they require 12 to 15 liters per square meter. Use the right irrigation method. Water greenhouse cucumbers using furrow irrigation or a drip system. Avoid watering with a watering can, as this can wash away the soil, expose the roots, and reduce yield. If roots do become exposed, cover them with a nutrient-rich soil mixture. Prevent wilting in hot weather. In extreme heat, cucumbers may start wilting. To counteract this, lightly mist the plants with warm water early in the morning or after sunset while ensuring they receive their regular watering. Use settled water. Water temperature should be close to the greenhouse soil temperature to avoid plant stress. Control excess foliage growth. If cucumbers are growing too many leaves and not enough fruit, temporarily stop watering for 1 cycle to encourage fruit formation. By following these tips, your cucumbers will stay healthy, productive, and delicious. Happy gardening! Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel.